The next revolution will be digitized. 4ART Technologies, blockchain technology for art.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to show you how to quickly identify an artwork that we've previously registered. This is the artwork passport in the 4ARTapp. We have the overview, our overview image, as well as the basic information that we've entered. We can also look at documentation or provenance or the track record. Down here, we have a few menu options, and in this case, we have authentication. So we click on it. Again, we are asked to confirm. Yes, so let's go ahead. We once again also receive our helpful tips on how to create proper images and how to make the process as easily and as reliable as possible. But we continue. Now we have the overview image of the registered artwork, and it shows me that the first fingerprint is located right here. So I proceed, and then I choose the spot. I have my navigation ball projected, so it helps me to follow in. Here we go. That's green. And now the process is the same as the registration. The fingerprint is being read. Takes roughly 10 seconds. There we go. That's the first one. Data is being processed. So let's go ahead. Here's the second one, a little bit higher up. Proceed. And there we go. I have my ball being projected. And there we go. Let's create the second fingerprint reading. I don't have to hold too still. It doesn't take too long. It's a very simple process. As you can tell, wonderful. The second fingerprint is being processed. Here's the last one. We proceed. I move over here. I move a little closer. There's the ball being projected. So let's guide in the device. There we go. The circle is green. Again, just a few more seconds. And the process is done. Wonderful. Now all the data is being collected and is being uploaded and referenced back to the originally registered fingerprints. There we go. The process is already done. It's an original. It's the one that we've registered previously. The system says it's authenticated, so we can be sure that the documentation we can find within the 4ARTapp is related to this specific artwork and not a copy or something that looks just like it. We can also go ahead and take a closer look at the fingerprints, and we see basically no differences, so we can be absolutely sure that what we're looking at here, all the documents, all the information, all the track and trace record is related to that specific artwork. And that's it. Thank you very much.